I'm sick of this stupid slime thing. So let me tell you something. A couple minutes ago, I was watching Dashi. Great YouTuber, look him up. Hilarious. And sometimes I just mess around on the keyboard, like typing in how can, like, just to see cringy results, or just add to the laughs. I don't know. I'm sure a lot of people do that, but I don't know. I like to do that. First thing I came up for how was how to make slime. And I'm like, what the frick? Slime? Okay, it's not the 90s anymore. No one cares about your little goddamn little GAC thing, the little Nickelodeon thing. I don't know. Then I type in S, and then more slime. Slime ASMR, which I'm sure it's not even relaxing. I'm sure it's disgusting. I'm really looking up slime right now. Slime recipe. Slime poison. Oh, what the hell? Poison. Why is someone injecting syringe? Look at this crap. What the hell is this? When did this become a thing? And you know what? I'm seeing people. Well, I'm